No one is like you. That is your power. We all have our individual strengths and weaknesses that make us unique. No one else has the exact same combination of traits and experiences that you have. This is your power. You have the unique ability to take your unique combination of traits and experiences and apply them in ways no one else can. You have the power to create something entirely new and fresh. You have the power to make a difference in the world and make a positive impact on the lives of others. You have the power to be yourself and to follow your own path. You have the power to make choices that are right for you. You have the power to stand up for what you believe in and make your voice heard. You have the power to take risks and to be brave. Take a leap of faith and don't be afraid to fail. You will learn valuable lessons and gain important experiences along the way. You have the power to dream. Believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams. Take the time to think deeply and imagine the possibilities. Follow your heart and do not get discouraged by what other people think. You have the power to be creative and to pursue your passions. Don't be afraid to try something new and explore new possibilities. There is a world of opportunities out there waiting for you. You have the power to make a change. Believe in yourself and your ideas and take action. You may not be able to change the world, but you can make a difference in your own life and the lives of those around you. Remember that no one is like you, and that is your power. Embrace your uniqueness and use it to create something amazing.